Food is the basic and indispensable factor in human existence. In the course of time, starting from consumption of raw fruit products, men have developed various ways of food preparation and thermic food processing for use in their diet. What is necessary in these processes is the participation of man with his culinary skills and knowledge. A characteristic of the present stage of the culinary development is the irreplaceability of men in thermic food processing. This device has been designed with the purpose of solving this very problem, that is, replacing men in thermic food processing. At present, there is no other similar device. The following goals were established and observed during the construction of the device: to replace men in thermic food processing, to prepare fresh and good quality dishes, to be able to prepare approximately 100 types of dishes and side dishes existing in human cuisine, to be economical, of small size, as well as to be simple and practical for handling and maintenance. The displayed appliance is a prototype which is currently able to prepare 2 types of dishes. The assortment of dishes can be enlarged by adding programs for new types of dishes. The current purpose is to show the basic principles of the appliance. There are many other solutions still not included in this prototype, which will significantly improve the quality of its performance. This device could be able to prepare approximately 100 types of dishes and side dishes existing in human cuisine. Its principles enable preparation of food in quantities ranging from 1 portion to 500 portions per appliance. By connecting more appliances, preparation of larger quantities is made possible. This makes it acceptable for use in household, catering services, canteens in company buildings, hospitals, military installations, etc. The main constituent parts of the device are a heating disc, a saucepan, a mixer for mixing the ingredients, which moves up and down, a cooling chamber, a cooling motor, a sump for the wastewater from the automatic washing of the mixer, electronic control area, and a multi-partition cassette where the raw ingredients are placed. The appliance operates in the following manner. The required raw ingredients for a certain type of dish are placed separately in the cassette partitions, and the cassette itself is placed in the food chamber. Then, the appliance performs all the necessary operations automatically by previously programmed instructions for a certain dish. First, the heating disc starts to heat. Oil is released into the saucepan and the mixer lowers. When the oil is hot, the flexible lower part of the cooling chamber opens so that the raw ingredients are released from the cassette into the saucepan. Then, the cassette turns round so that the partition containing the needed ingredient is positioned over the opening and the ingredients are released into the saucepan. The mixer starts mixing. The flexible part of the cooling chamber closes. The same procedures are repeated for the remaining ingredients in the cassette. The appliance has a water connector, which adds water if required for the particular dish. When certain program ends, the mixer moves up, the lid closes the saucepan, and then the mixer is washed automatically. The appliance turns itself off and the man can take the saucepans. In one of them, there is a main dish, while in the other saucepan there is a side dish. This line can be expanded by more of these units if necessary. In the device now, there There is a simple metal cassette which has a purpose to demonstrate the operational system. It should be replaced by a plastic one with a disposable aluminum foil bottom. There is already an idea for such a cassette. The usage of this cassette would stimulate the development of specialized companies, which would take on the task to industrially pack the cassettes with fresh ingredients. With this, the process of food preparation would be divided in two natural phases. Preparation of the needed ingredients, it will be done industrially, and thermic food processing. It will be performed by the device. This division into two natural phases would enable automation of food industry, and it would be crucial for development of this segment. That is the perspective direction into which the food industry would inevitably develop. All things considered, this device represents a unique project which could cause a revolutionary change of the food industry, a segment which is of primary importance for men and of a great financial potential. A crucial factor in realization of this project would be the price of the appliance, which would be acceptable for the customers. The potential markets are the industrially developed countries in which there are over 200 million households and a significant number of catering services and canteens. People in these countries spend over 200 billion euros on food preparation. The use of this device instigates the development of services for preparation and deliverance of raw ingredients needed for the appliance, which opens up the possibility for conquering the market with a financial potential of over 200 billion euros.